All of the proposals have been graded, and my goodness, you are all so brilliant, and every topic is so interesting. I am so excited. Now, everybody got something to work on. Everybody. Nobody got, yay, you're perfect, you're flawless. Everybody is perfect and flawless, but I did give you some information moving forward. Some of you presented me with a proposal where I could clearly follow everything I needed to know to be able to help you move forward in this process. A few people slapped something down on a piece of paper and turned it in and expected me to understand what was going on. So that was a little problematic, but those were few and far between. Most of you spent time, you studied the modules, you studied the page, and you've done a great job, and I'm really impressed. Let me tell you a general comment that I gave for everybody. And remember that below this tutorial is the tutorial for your particular choice. There's one little tutorial that follows up on the proposals for the hero archetype, and then there's one little video tutorial that is designed to help those of you who are working on a dinner party. But here are the notes that were given to everyone. First, everything is to be written in Times New Roman. Do you see that? None of this Arial, Calibri, or anything else except for the title. The title can be in a specialty font if you would like. I always like to use a specialty font myself for a title, but after that it is Times New Roman 12. I hope you can see that, and I hope we can get some corrections on that. You are to use formal language for this essay. Some of you wrote words conversationally. I couldn't follow what you were saying. For example, just in one of the classes at one of the schools, somebody said, she is freaking out. I don't know what that means. I don't know if that means a psychotic break. I don't know if somebody jumped out a window. I don't know if somebody tried to commit suicide. I don't know what that means. You need to be specific and formal in your writing style. I must have had at least a dozen cases of people still using we, you, us, our. I know that's challenging if you're writing a persuasive dinner party. Don't you need to say, we all need to, and we can see, and as you can see, and if you follow us, and we. No, you don't. Not even in a persuasive essay. You would use facts. Those who choose to participate will find that. Studies show that. Now, when you have an individual member of your dinner party speaking, they can use that word, but I wouldn't even do it. It just is off-putting to the reader. No reader wants to be preached to. And when you say, we need to do this and we need to do that, the reader automatically thinks, speak for yourself. It is a natural response. When somebody says, you need to do this, you need to do that, the reader's natural response is, you can't tell me what to do. And so that is why we use formal, objective language, the facts. That doesn't mean that people speaking in your dinner party can't have a perspective, but avoid that. It's off-putting for a reader. And then works cited, 96% of you got the works cited right. I'm so pleased. We are in week 11, and I have been on works cited since week 1. Some of you still messed that up. Now that is a problem because you are brilliant, and that's just not spending attention on that. For dinner party, the general comments were, remember, why would somebody want to come to your party? Why wouldn't they just rather go to Florida? I know the answer to one of those questions. In one of the wonderful proposals that I saw, the person writing, the host of the party, invited Justin Bieber. That's a reason why people might want to come to that party. You got a big celebrity there that people would want to see. And the theme of that particular dinner party is geared toward young people. And young people would want to see Justin Bieber. So that's the answer to the question. Maybe the food's fabulous. Maybe you got a great chef. But, keep that in mind. And then why are we doing this? Why aren't we just, watching Netflix? Why do we want to do this? And then what exactly do you want the guests to do? What do they do at the end of the party? Do they write a check? Do they donate land? Do they donate resources? Do they donate their time? What do you want them to do? And then, of course, you want to end in the conclusion with what will likely happen if the people do what I want them to do. For the hero archetype, where does the hero live and operate? Is it a lovely world, a dystopic world, a criminal world, urban, rural? You've got to describe the world where the hero operates, the motif of the story. And then what makes the hero stay in this environment? Well, you may have a Homeric hero who wants to leave that environment. If so, why aren't they going to Florida? Why are they going where they go, and what are they trying to find? And then why does the hero behave this way? And that's a psychological profile, and you can access that by going to Google and typing in the psychology of a personality who, or looking up actual articles written about your particular character. And then the ultimate question, why doesn't the hero go to Florida? So keep those things in mind, and now I'd like for you to move on to this specific tutorial below this that relates to the type of essay you are writing. Good work, you all. Look how brilliant you are. Sophisticated, collegiate, coming up with university-level rhetorical essays. I'm so pleased with you.